2027 is setting the automotive world on fire. From quad-motor electric missiles to screaming hybrid V12s, here are 5 brand new upcoming monsters you must see. Number 5. Audi RS5 Hybrid. Starting off our countdown at number 5 is a German performance icon undergoing the biggest, most controversial transformation in its history, the 2027 Audi RS5 Hybrid. For years, the RS5 built its reputation as a ferocious twin-turbo V6 all-weather weapon, but for 2027, Audi Sport is officially integrating high-voltage plug-in hybrid technology straight into the drivetrain. Underneath its aggressively widened carbon-trim bodywork sits a newly optimized 2.9-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, paired directly with an electric motor and an 8-speed automatic transmission. Together, this electrified setup generates a staggering 630 horsepower and 608 pound-feet of instant torque. Power is channeled through Audi's signature Quattro all-wheel drive system, which now features dynamic electric torque vectoring across the rear axle. It launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, leaving traditional gas-powered sports sedans struggling to keep up. Thanks to a 25.9 kilowatt-hour battery pack, the new RS5 offers over 50 miles of pure electric driving range for quiet city commutes before the twin-turbo V6 kicks in for high-speed highway cruising. Inside the cabin gets a complete digital overhaul, featuring Audi's panoramic curved display, lightweight RS carbon bucket seats, and track telemetry logging. Expected to start around $25,000, it proves that hybrid technology can make iconic performance cars even faster and more versatile. Is electrification the right move for Audi's RS lineup? Comment your thoughts below. Number 4. Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport X. Moving to number 4, we take a look at a brand new mid-engine monster that fills the gap between street cruisers and raw track weapons. The 2027 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport X. Corvette has always delivered high-end supercar performance at a fraction of European exotic prices, and this new variant pushes that reputation even further. Positioned perfectly in the lineup, the Grand Sport X introduces an all-new 6.7-liter, naturally aspirated LS6 V8 engine mounted directly behind the driver, producing 535 horsepower on its own. But Chevrolet didn't stop there. The X package adds an electrified front axle and battery system derived straight from their flagship ZR1X hypercar. This combines to produce an earth-shattering 721 total horsepower through an intelligent all-wheel drive setup. Because the front electric motor handles instant launch acceleration, while the naturally aspirated V8 screams all the way up the RPM band, the Grand Sport X rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a staggering 2.5 seconds. To keep all 700-plus horsepower glued to the road, it inherits the Z06's wide-body stance, active magnetic ride suspension, and massive carbon ceramic brakes. Starting around $13,000 for the top-tier convertible trim, it delivers world-class hypercar performance for half the price of European exotics. Would you choose this hybrid American V8 over a traditional European supercar? Let me know in the comments. Number 3. Lamborghini Revuelto Miura. Addition climbing further into the ranks at number 3 is a multi-million-dollar masterpiece created to pay tribute to the single most iconic supercar in human history, the 2027 Lamborghini Revuelto Miura Edition. Unveiled as an ultra-exclusive limited production run, this car takes the flagship Revuelto and wraps it in bespoke, retro-inspired engineering. At its core sits Lamborghini's legendary 6.5-liter, naturally aspirated V12 engine, screaming all the way to a spine-tingling 9,500 RPM redline. Mated to 3 high-output electric motors and an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, this mechanical bull pushes out a terrifying 1,001 combined horsepower. It launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a violent 2.5 seconds, clearing 124 miles per hour in under 7 seconds on its way to a top speed over 217 miles per hour. What sets the Miura Edition apart is its breathtaking styling details. It features classic two-tone paint schemes, paying homage to the original 1960s Miura gold-finished forged alloy wheels and custom rear engine louvers crafted entirely out of exposed carbon fiber. Inside, the aerospace cockpit is trimmed in vintage Italian leather with custom-stitched Miura badging and gold accent trim. Carrying a price tag approaching $7,000, it is a roaring, high-revving artwork built for the world's most elite collectors. Is a naturally aspirated V12 hybrid the ultimate dream car layout? Drop a comment down below. Number 2. Mercedes-Maybach S680. Narrowly missing out on the top spot at number 2 is a vehicle that defies modern downsizing trends to offer the ultimate statement in pure rolling luxury, the 2027 Mercedes-Maybach S680. While nearly every major automaker is discontinuing massive engines, Maybach stands firm, keeping the legendary twin-turbocharged V12 alive for true luxury connoisseurs. Under that long hand-finished chroma-trimmed hood sits a magnificent 6.0 liter biturbo V12 engine producing 621 horsepower and an immense 738 pound-feet of torque. Channeled through a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission to an all-wheel drive system, this massive luxury palace accelerates from 0 to 60 in just 4.1 seconds. But speed is beside the point. It's about how effortlessly and silently that V12 delivers its power on the open highway. Inside the cabin, the S680 offers an environment that makes private jets look basic. Rear seat passengers get treated to executive reclining seats equipped with calf massagers, heated neck pillows, deployable leather tables, and an integrated silver-plated champagne flute cooler. The active air suspension uses road-scanning cameras to read bumps milliseconds before impact, creating a floating magic carpet ride quality. Starting north of $24,000, it remains one of the final true V12 flagship sedans you can actually buy. Does pure V12 luxury beat electric luxury every single time? Tell me your take. Number 1. Audi Concept C TT EV Successor. Finally standing at number 1, we reach a car that marks a radical historical rebirth for German sports cars. The 2027 Audi Concept C, the official electric successor to the legendary Audi TT. When Audi discontinued the iconic TT, sports car enthusiasts mourned the end of a legend. But this upcoming production sports car is engineered to prove that compact performance cars have a massive future. Roughly the same length as a Porsche 911, the Concept C is built on an advanced lightweight EV platform. It features a rear-wheel drive electric motor setup producing between 400 and 500 horsepower. Because its battery pack is mounted low in the center of the chassis, it offers a near-perfect center of gravity, allowing it to corner with a level of sharpness and balance that traditional gas cars simply cannot match. It launches from 0 to 60 in under 3.5 seconds with instant electric acceleration. Visually, it introduces Audi's dramatic next-generation design language with ultra-sharp LED lighting and an active rear spoiler. But the biggest surprise hides inside the cabin. Rejecting giant, annoying touchscreens, Audi designed the Concept C with handcrafted physical aluminum switches and a central infotainment display that can completely fold away into the dashboard when you want a distraction-free driving experience. Expected to launch in late 2027, it brings raw driver engagement into a futuristic package. If you could drive just one of these 5 monsters, which one are you picking? That completes our official countdown of 5 insane cars arriving for 2027 and beyond. From Audi's lightweight electric sports car to Maybach's twin-turbo V12 Palace, the automotive world continues to push human engineering past every known limit. If you enjoyed this deep dive breakdown, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I bring you the newest car reveals, rankings, and detailed automotive updates every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.